Hello, my name is BJ Kowalski. I'm the president of ROE Dental Laboratory. I'm here to talk to you about 3D printed nasopharyngeal test swabs. Our company typically makes dental devices for our clients all over the country. And with the current pandemic, regretfully, most of our clients are unable to treat their patients. We thought we'd use this opportunity to use our extensive battery of 3D printers for the cause and provide something that can help. These test swabs are available immediately, and we should have the capacity to produce 10 to 20,000 of them per day. I'd like to take just a few minutes to explain the history of these swabs, the scientific research, and how you can get those to help your patients. The nasopharyngeal test swabs we're able to produce are created with a combination of partnerships with the USF Health 3D clinical team and Norwell Health in collaboration with Formlabs, who uses the 3D printers that we produce. The 3D resin we use for these materials are FDA approved, and they're typically used for surgical guides during dental surgeries, but they're perfectly suited for this application. They are created in an FDA registered facility using an approved design, and everything is registered, including our facility, with the FDA. The swabs are about 10 inches in length and have a unique 3D printed geometry at the end that allows it to collect material in the back of the sinus for COVID-19 testing. Anyone interested in these swabs should contact the number above. I also have listed our initial pricing of the swabs. We'd like to make these as economical as possible, and we're available for shipping immediately. If anyone's interested in these swabs, please give us a call, and everyone be healthy and God bless.